Hello guys, welcome to Soft YouTube channel. If this is the first time watching our channel, please do well to subscribe. Today, we want to share with you concerning pay-to-play review. Pay-to-play 2 hours ago just launched this that take advantage of one of this easiest way to earn on pay-to-play. So copy and share the link. If you look at this critically, pay-to-play has lost the trust that their users have on them. They said, copy and share your link with your friends to earn $12. Click the link in our bio to get started. They just posted this 2 hours ago. The trust is gone. So let's look at the comments here. We click on the comments. We want to see all comments, to see the reaction, all comments. To sort it out yourself, because we are doing research and this video is only for tutorial purpose. Like, share, and comment on this video, please. Okay, look at the question here. Look, we are using English. Somebody said, I could not access my account. I think I was blocked out. Same thing applicable to me here. I could not access my account as well. How authentic is this pay-to-play app? Okay, there's a question. Another person here in another language, a very top fan of theirs. Let's see translation. Has anyone had any money on his app yet? If you can observe, they only like, but they don't reply. Okay? Look at the reply here from other fan. It seems a bit doubtful. Too bang. Okay? Is asking whether anyone here has withdraw any amounts. 15 minutes ago, it's not been long. I said we've been following them up so as to know how legit these people is and to come out with our results on 13th of November 2023, because that's the day they schedule us for payment of about $1,400, if not 1.4 thousand. That is 900 and something plus 400 and something. That's about $1,400 to be sent as they promise, scheduling to be on 13th of November. Another person, Richard Rosie, said, how do you normally convert dollar into shilling? They only like, guys, I don't trust them anymore. I told you, the trust is gone. All this one is 6 minutes ago. People are sharing their link to see, for them to also check and to confirm their payments. But truly speaking, these guys are not replying. They are not doing anything. They want to pretend as if they are real, but sure, they are not. Because some other person in my video comments that his own day has elapsed, yet no payment has been done. That is the scheduled day. Okay, the scheduled day has been reached, but the money has not landed in his wallet. Okay, so there's a cash out error and there is no solution for it. So what I advise, as I took my own survey and I was not paid, and with the research I have conducted, you can, in other way around, conduct your own research. If you observe from this like button, this is an angry emoji, okay, from those guys. The anger here is just 32. People are still liking, those one who are just new are still liking this. Okay, please don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.